Apple 1992 said, "The new technology is here. It will not go away. Our task as educators is to make sure that when it enters the classroom, it is there for politically, economically, and educationally wise reasons, not because powerful groups may be redefining our major educational goals in their own image." Technology is transforming how we teach and learn. From online platforms to educational apps, technology is making learning more interactive, personalized, and accessible than even before. Interactive learning tools like smart whiteboards and educational apps provide instant feedback, engage students, and encourage collaboration. Technology gives students immediate access to huge amounts of information, bridging the gap among different countries and allowing for a global exchange of knowledge. With technology, education is no longer one size fits all. Lessons can be made personalized to fit the needs of each student, thereby making learning more effective. Both teaching and learning can be supported by technology. Teachers can conduct delivery of lessons online, students can learn online, assessments can be conducted online, and both teachers and students can do research online. E-learning, blended learning, distance learning, mobile learning, and online learning have become the new norm as these offer flexibility and convenience for both teachers and students. As we move forward, the integration of technology in education will continue to evolve, shaping the future of teaching and learning. The possibilities are limitless.